Have you ever watched a soccer game? Each player has a specific role, but they all work together to score goals. Agile teams are similar. Each role has clear responsibilities, but success depends on collaboration. In this lecture, we will talk about the structure of agile teams and the roles they play. We will learn what makes product owners, scrum masters, and development teams unique and how they collaborate to deliver results. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the roles within an agile team: product owner, scrum master, and development team. Learn the responsibilities of each role and how they contribute to project success. See how collaboration drives agile teams forward. Agile teams are small, cross-functional, and self-organizing. Each member plays a vital role. Let's break down these roles. The product owner is the team's link to the customer and stakeholders. They define the vision, set priorities, and manage the product backlog. Their goal is to ensure the team works on tasks and deliver the most value. In an app development project, the product owner decides whether the team focuses on adding new features or fixing a bug based on customer feedback. The Scrum Master is a coach and a facilitator. They ensure the team follows agile principles and remove obstacles blocking progress. They're not a manager but a guide. If a developer is stuck waiting for approvals, the Scrum Master steps in to resolve the issue quickly. The development team is responsible for building and delivering the product. They're self-organizing, meaning they decide how to approach tasks and solve problems together. The team includes developers, designers, and testers who collaborate to deliver a feature by the end of the sprint. Agile teams thrive on communication and collaboration. Each role overlaps slightly, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The product owner shares the vision and priorities. The Scrum Master ensures the team is aligned and productive. The development team executes tasks and provides feedback. This structure allows teams to adapt quickly and focus on delivering value. Think of an agile team as a film crew. The product owner is the director, setting the vision and ensuring everyone stays on track. The Scrum Master is the producer, clearing obstacles and managing logistics. The development team is the cast and crew, turning the vision into reality. Success happens when everyone knows their role and works together. Research a real agile team structure in a company like Spotify or Google. Write a short analysis of their team roles and responsibilities. Agile teams are built on roles, responsibilities, and collaboration. The product owner sets the vision, the Scrum Master ensures alignment, and the development team delivers value. Let me know which part of this lecture was most helpful. Share your ideas in the comment section.